For Criterion D, we first start off with the budget management folder, which you can open the README file and then click the package.bluej with the BlueJ IDE, which we're clicking now, and then we can let it load. And once it loads, then you right-click the class box labeled Display Budget, which we can do after it loads. Yeah, right here. And then out of the possible choices, click Compile, then repeat step 2, then click Void Main, and then click OK when prompted by BlueJ's method call. And then you have the project up and running. Now, if we open the test plan seen in Criterion B, we're going to test the add function first, which we can do with first inputting the method selection integer 1, and then category string paycheck. And then we input this down as an income with 1, and then enter down the account name as commerce, and then enter down the value $2,000, and then the string, that's a double of course, and then the string description as raise included. And then before we see if this information has been inputted, we're going to put some more sample data with some presets of 2 as grocery, then the account name as commerce again, and the double value of $200. Then we skip the description, and we're going to add another preset. This time it'll be the electricity bill, which is 6. And then we're going to enter in some more data. And also, just to keep in mind, when entering these values for the presets, they will already have the income or expense value indicated, which in this case will be an expense value as indicated by the negative numbers seen here. And as you can see, all of them show up, including paycheck, which is what we're mainly looking for. As we're going to test out the edit function with 2, as we're going to search paycheck, and then change the value with 4, and then enter in the new value of, let's say, 2,125. And then we're going to try to make sure that it's changed, and then look and behold, it has changed. And then we're going to test the search function, which in this case again is going to be paycheck, which we will type in the string of. And then over here we see all the information such as the description and then the new value that we've changed. And now we're going to quickly change the or test the print function, which you can see as paycheck is shown, and all other budget related budget information. But now we're going to check out the calculation function, where we're going to verify that the balance indeed is 1,775 by combining the income and expenses in sum, and then lo and behold, it is indeed 1,775. And now we're going to try out the save function by first exiting the program by entering 8, then Xing out, then reopening the program, and then quickly verify if all the if all the information is saved on the text file database, which indeed it is. And now we're going to try out the delete function by deleting paycheck from the text file, of course, and then verify that it has been deleted by displaying all the budget information, and then boom, it is all gone. And it also changes the balance information as now we're in debt. In regards to extensibility, we're all these classes have all been named accordingly, where the display budget class executes the budget management console and displays the main menu, and of course it's been commented. And then the data class is essentially a class that holds all methods directly manipulating data for the database, which of course all the methods are properly named and have been commented on. And then the info class is essentially the class that serves as a template for all budget data inputs, essentially serving as, again, the template for all information that you'll be inputting. And then over here is a copy of the IBIO class. This product embodies extensibility as new methods or the database's functions can be implemented in the data class, which I reiterate has all basic functions like save, load, calculate, etc. And more information can be added along with each budget input object within the info class, which already holds category name, value, description, and more. And this marks the end of Criterion D, showing that the product functions to its fullest extent.